I'm Mrs. Visalaji, working as a social teacher in Trinity Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Namakkal. In this session, we are going to discuss about 7th Standard Civics. Chapter 3, Road Safety. The revolutionary invention of the wheel has given rise to modern technologies from transport to machinery. It is one of the most fundamental inventions we use in our daily life. Invention of wheel may be as a mystery, but the history of the vehicles prove the intelligence of man. Can you imagine a world without two-wheelers, three-wheelers, and four-wheelers? Road safety. We have to travel wise roads almost every day to go to the school, college, office, shops, visit relatives and friends. We need to be safe on the roads. Road safety refers to the methods and measures used to prevent road users from being killed or seriously injured. Need for safety on roads. It is saddening fact that India is the world's largest contribution to road accident. India account for about 10% of road accident and worldwide. Road crash have the threatening impact on Indian lives, growth and economy. Causes for road accident. Distracting driving. This is the large threat and the leading cause for the road accidents. It is the distractions of the driver engaged in any other activities while driving. It may be talking over the mobile phone or texting messages or engaged in any other activities with attention divert from drivings. And a reckless driver, it is a major traffic violation of rules. It is defines as the mental state in which the driver purposely distracted the rules of the road. Night driving. At extra alertness is needed while driving at night. The uncontrolled sleep, tiredness due to long drive, poor lighting on the road can cause fatal accidents. Tailgating. Tailgating refers to the conditions where a driver drives behind another vehicle without leaving sufficient distance between them. In this condition, if the vehicle in front of him stops suddenly, his own vehicle will clash with it. Heavy traffic. Increase of vehicles on the road create a heavy traffic jam and causes more pollution. Road conditions. Road expansion is very slow when comparing to the expansion of vehicle. Avoidance of safety gears. Avoiding the use of helmets for two-wheelers and seat belts for four-wheelers lead to unwanted happenings. In impartitions of the pedestrians, and violation of traffic rules resulted in accidents. Other causes: drunken driving, jumping red lines, over speeding, and unmanned railway crossing, and cause great damage to valuable lives. Due to this, many families lose the breadwinners. Road safety rules. Every country has its own road safety rules and regardings for the best interest of its citizens. India also has designed road safety rulers for protecting the road users from meeting with accident and injuries. 10 golden rules for road safety. Stop or slow down and never use mobile while driving and pull up, obey traffic rules and shine, wear helmet, never drive dangerously, obey speed limit, be cautiously, keep vehicle fit, never mix driving and driving. These are the important road safety rules given in the regulation. This rules is in the road regulation is given in the year 1989. The Central Motor Vehicle Rules is 1989, and also the Motor Vehicle Act 1968. And use standard helmet while driving two-wheelers vehicle and strap it before mounting the vehicle. Is fasten the seat belt. So while driving a car for both the driver and the co-passenger. Avoid carrying heavy load while riding a two-wheelers. Two-wheeler can carry one adult pulling ride and not to be the whole family. Keep a safe distance from the vehicle of yours. Slow down on bends and turns, especially in the hill station. The Motor Vehicle Act 1988, passed by the Parliament, came into force in 1989 and it is applicable to across the country. Preventive measures. Government. Though the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways Government of India has taken as earnest step for the reducing the number of road accidents, taking step for the refractions of accident back, stop the improvement of road engineering, ensuring the good functioning of the traffic signal and road signs at busy crossing roads, constructing proper road both in urban and rural areas, and prohibiting act of digging and hauling the soil from roads, removing encroachment and maintaining proper pedestrians way for ensuring road safety. If the public are violating the traffic rules, it is a duty of government to correct the public and maintain order. Individuals, one who drive the vehicle, should have undergone the training and test to obtain a driving license. It is compulsory to have the following documents: driving license, registrational certificate of the vehicle, insurance certificate, taxation certificate, fitness certificate, and permit. Brake failure can result in the criminal calculation. So the vehicle should be in good condition and service at a regular interval to avoid accident, because the both holes and in the road humps. User can opt to use the Rastra safety drive device. It is attached with the velcro to the car and alerts the driver about the road humps and bad roads and on the crossing the speed limit. And carpooling will reduce the number of vehicles on the road. Many people use one vehicle and so fuel. So money and the time are saved. It will pave way for the corner relationship and a better understanding among the followmen. Parents and teachers. Parents and teachers play a virtual role in imparting road safety education to young ones. If a children's parent violated the traffic rule, the child too will entail the same in future. So the elders have to set an example for them in adhering to the safety rules and regulation. Video and a computer game that simulated the driving should be banned by the government or discouraged by parents as it will develop a racing habit in children. Help your children learn about the traffic signal and rules. Instruct them to wait for the right signal and to use the zebra crossing while crossing the road. Warn them not to run across or along the road. Teach them to use the footpath while walking on the road. Provide road safety education since childhood. It has to be made a part of school curriculum, syllabus, textbook, and including the comprehension on road safety. Activities like writing a slogan, essays, and paintings on this theme should be conducted for reinforcement. Media. Media like radio, television, films, and advertisement could take up this responsibility of creating awareness of road safety. On Sachin Tendulkar 45th birthday, Mumbai police has released his video to create awareness among the motorists. The little master set grand record wearing the helmet. How about simply following his footsteps? Traffic sign. Traffic sign act as silent conditions of the traffic on the road. Some traffic signs are as a mandatory like a stop, speed limit, as a turn right, no left turn, etc. Some signs are calculatory which warn the driver about the danger ahead like a speed asset or descent, narrow bend. Some signs are informatory providing information about hospital, petrol pump and restricting place, parking or no parking areas. Road Safety Week. This is a national event which aims at promoting public awareness about traffic rules and to reduce calculation due to the road accident. It is observed annually. It is celebrated with a grand joy and enrichment. Various programs related to road safety is conducted. Educational banners, safety posters, and leaflets and pocket guides related to road safety are distributed to the public. The Government of India observed Road Safety Week awareness during January every year. In this session, we discussed about the road safety refers to the methods and measures used to prevent road user and vehicle users from the fatal accidents and injury. Violation of the road rules and regulation causes a road clash and the threatening impact on the country's growth and economy. Traffic signals act as a silent conditions of the traffic on the road. There's a mandatory sign, there's a calculatory sign, and the informatory sign are the three types of the traffic sign. Every country celebrated Road Safety Week. We should strictly follow the rules and regulations road safety and save our nation. Thank you.